At Laser Tools, we're always looking for ways to make life easier for the technician. Let's have a look at some of our latest tools designed to be great time savers. What do you do when a fastener is buried deep in the engine bay and it has to be tightened to a specific torque figure? What if there's another component in the way? You just cannot get the socket near it. The solution is this new 10-piece torque adapter set, designed to let a torque wrench be used in the tightest of conditions. Easy and quick to fit. Simply attach to the end of your torque wrench. Then remember to adjust your torque wrench figure to compensate for the extra length the adapter adds to the wrench. Now it's simple and easy to get to difficult areas and hidden components. Here's a good example. How do you get a torque wrench onto this alpha pulley securing screw? With one of the Laser Tools torque adapters, of course. This is a useful set from Laser Tools. A versatile THandle Screwdriver that comes with 10 double-ended bits and a spinner sleeve for fast fastener rotation. It's great for repetitive jobs like removing or replacing cam cover bolts, or the air filter cover on this Morgan. The T-handle also gives great control for detail work, like setting the idle speed on this classic Mini. But when access is really tight, the spinner sleeve can be removed altogether to let you reach that hidden set screw. Easy job with the right tool. Which brings us to our next new tool, the Universal Deburring Set. Ideal for engineers, mechanics, plumbers, or any tradesman that requires various deburring tools. It includes 4 different deburring blades, packaged into one handy tool. 2 curved blades are included, ideal for curved and straight edge work. 1 blade for steel, aluminium and plastic, the other for brass, cast iron and stainless steel. The straight blade is good for detail work and is ideal for tool or die work. The countersunk blade is for holes, tubes or pipe edges. The cranked mounting shaft makes the job easy. Drilling cheap metal, particularly aluminium alloy, can leave ragged edges. The countersunk blade will make light work of this. Just a few turns will smooth up the edge, and it is suitable for hole diameters from 1mm to 10.4mm. For drive shaft and CV joint rubber boots, traditionally the securing clamps have simply been compressed with clamp pliers. But on modern vehicles, the high-strength stainless steel clamps require much more force to compress them and secure the boot. For this reason, manufacturers now specify a torque figure to tighten to. These CV boot clamp pliers are specifically designed to be used with a 3/8 inch drive torque wrench. The smooth action of the pliers makes it easy to set the correct torque figure. The pliers are fitted with 2-way jaws, set at 90 degrees to each other. This greatly assists in gaining access in these busy suspension and drive shaft areas. High quality, innovative workshop solutions from Laser Tools.